This is the ultimate resource for resolving the frustrating NONPAGED BSOD in Valorant. Having personally encountered this exact issue and meticulously tested numerous approaches, I've uncovered several effective solutions to eliminate this blue screen error, and I'm eager to guide you through each one right now. First, we tackle driver integrity. Outdated or corrupted drivers, particularly for your trusted platform module, graphics card, or chipset, are a primary cause of BSOD errors. These drivers facilitate communication between hardware and Windows. If they're faulty, critical system data can be mishandled, leading directly to blue screens. Updating them ensures proper component communication, preventing memory conflicts. Next, consider temporarily disabling tpm. Since tpm sys is implicated, a conflict or glitch with your hardware trusted platform module, especially interacting with Valorant's anti-cheat, could be the culprit. Disabling it in BIOS helps diagnose if the security module is interfering with system memory access. Third, let's address memory health. The BSOD error indicates Windows tried accessing data expected in physical memory that wasn't there or was corrupted. Running a memory diagnostic checks your RAM for physical defects. Adjusting virtual memory, which extends RAM onto your hard drive, ensures Windows has sufficient contiguous space for system processes and Valorant's demands, averting allocation errors. Finally, we utilize system file repair tools. Corrupted Windows system files frequently cause BSODs. System file checker scans and repairs damaged system files, while the ISM repairs the underlying Windows image SFC relies on. Ensuring the integrity of your core operating system files eliminates a major source of instability and memory access failures, getting you back into Valorant without crashes.